Good afternoon, sir. This is the report. Special reliability resolve the conflict between Newtonian mechanics. The conflict between Newtonian mechanics and electromagnetism. Newtonian mechanics assumes absolute space and time conflict in Maxwell's equation predict a constant speed of light. Maxwell's equation predict a constant speed of light, fundamentally challenging in Newtonian mechanics and assumption of absolute space and time. This is the velocity of the parallax. As you can see in the picture, the picture shows the time and space. And then this is the Einstein revolutionary postulates. In the first video, in inertia frames, as you can see, the physics laws are the same for all. And for the second picture, constant light speed that remains unchanged for observers. For the third picture, brief explanation, key principles underpinning the space of relativity theory. Redefine space and time through space-time concept. Einstein theory illustrates that space and time are intertwined, shaping our understanding of universe's structure. For understanding time dilation of a fundamental concept, time dilation reveals that moving clocks run slower compared to the stationary observers, profoundly impacted our understanding of time. And length construction explains how the moving object appear shorter along than other directions of motion and stationary observers. And understanding mass energy equivalence. The impact of E equals to mc squared. This means mass can transform into an energy revolutionizing our understanding of physics and enable an advancement of like a nuclear power. And in the picture, you can see the before and after of comparing the time and space. For unifying mechanics and electromagnetism through the special relativity, it says special relativity reconciles the Newtonian mechanics and Maxwell equations, ensuring the laws of physics across the inertia frames. And special relativity laid out the groundwork for modern physics, influencing the theories like general relativity and quantum mechanics significantly. And for the last slide, Einstein revolutionized our understanding of universe. His theory is bridge gaps in physical physics. Thank you for listening.